Okay, chapter 3 is squares and square roots. So, to start with this chapter, first you have to learn the squares of 20 numbers. First 20 numbers means 1 square, that is 1 into 1 will be 1. 2 square will be 2 into 2 equals to 4. And 3 square will be 3 into 3 equals to 9. In this way, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49. In this way you have to memorize it up to 20. So in this way you have to memorize all the squares from 1 to 20. Okay, fine. Now what is square root? Square root of 1 will be 1. Square root of 4 will be 2. Okay, fine. Just the reverse of squares. Square root of 9 will be 3. Square root of 16 will be 4. In this way, if we keep on writing, square root of 100 will be 10. So fine. So you have to learn only this up to this, then we can proceed with the sums. Okay, look at this first exercise, that is exercise 3a. I will explain one sum from each part and you have to do the rest over sums. Like number 1, in number 1 3 I am explaining. Okay, you have to find the square of 15 as a whole 2 by 3. First you have to change it into improper fraction. 15 3 is a 45, 47 by 3 whole square. It means you have to write this 47 by 3 two times and then multiply 47 into 47 and 3 into 3. Find out the answer. Fine. For number 2, it is said that you have to split it into prime factors and then find the square root. So look at this number 2, 1 I am explaining. Okay, 1 1 0 2 5. So first you have to split it into prime factors. 3 3 is a 9, 3 6 is a 18, 3 7 is a 3 5 is a 3 1 is a 2 is a 2 is a 5 is a, then 5 2 is a 4 is a 5 is a, 5 2 is a 10, 5 is 20, 5 is 25. Fine, 5 4 is a 5 9 is a, and finally you got 7 7 is a 49. So how to do this? First you have to split it into prime numbers, then write in this way: 1 1 0 2 5. This will be equals to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. Fine, all these numbers. Then you have to make a pair of 2. Okay, then for these two 3's you have to write only 1 3. Similarly for these two 5 you have to write 1 5 and 1 7. So 3 5 is a 15, 15 7 is a 105. It means if you multiply 105 two times you will get this answer. So this is your answer. In this way solve the number 2 2 and 2 3 of yourself. Okay, number 3 it is said that you have to find the smallest number by which 2592 can be multiplied so that the product is perfect squares. Okay, so let us prime factorize it. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 9 ja, 6 ja, 2 6 ja, 4 ja, 8 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 ja, 4 ja, 2 1 6 2, 2 8 1, 3 2 7, 3 9 3 3. Fine. So 2592 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Make a pair of 2. Fine. So I have got all the pair but only 1 2 is left. So if we multiply this number by 2, then all numbers will get paired. So required smallest number to be multiplied will be 2, and you have to only this, you have to find this much only. So in the same way solve number 3 2. Next is number 4. Number 4, the question is a little bit different. In number 3 you have to find out, it was said that you have to find the smallest number to be multiplied. In number 4 it is said that you have to find the smallest number to be divided. So the number is 10368. We will find out the prime factors of this number. So let's start finding it out. So we have already find out the prime factors of this number, that is 10368. So let us make the pair. After making a pair, only 2 is left. So required smallest number to be divided will be 2. This is your first answer. But in number 4 it is said that you have to find out the resulting number and also you have to find out the square root of the resulting number. So resulting number will be 10368 na? It was the question, and you have to find out that by which number this should be divided so that this one is a perfect square. So we have find out that if we divide this number by 2, it will be a perfect square. So divide it, you will get 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 8 is 16, 2 4s are 8, 5 1 8 4 is your answer. And you have to find out the square root of this resulting number. 5184. No need to again prime factorize it. Just remove this 2 from here and write everything. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3 and 3 into 3. Now make a pair. Everything is paired. So 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Multiply it, you will get the answer. Fine. So number 4 is done. Come to number 5. Number 5, I am giving you hint in each number. You have to solve it yourself. So this is the question and you have to find out the square root of this number. So what to do? First you have to remove the decimal. If you remove the decimal, then you will get 40 at the denominator, because after decimal there was 4 digit 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have written 40. Now simply prime factorize 1764. Okay, and you can write this one as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Fine. After prime factorizing it, you have to make a pair of 2. Make a pair of 2 and then find out the answer. Do it yourself, try it. If you cannot, then I will help you out. Okay, come to next one, that is 5 2. 5 2, it is said that you have to find the square root of this. So first change it into mixed improper, then solve it. You can do it yourself. And 5 3 is also same. So try up to 5. No, not up to 5. I am explaining number 6 also. You will do today up to number 6. Okay, look at this number, that is 6 3. First you have to change the mix to improper. So 18 to the 36, 46, 47, 48, 49. You got 49 by 18 and change this to, remove this decimal, you will get 100 below. Okay. Now what to do? Listen. 25 can be written as 5 into 5. You have to simply prime factorize it. 49 can be written as 7 into 7. And this 25 can be written as 5 into 5. Okay, fine. And here at denominator 32 can be written as 2 1s are 6 are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. So 5 2s are there. 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So and similarly prime factorize 18. You will get 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3 and 100 can be written as 10 into 10. Now make a pair. So 5. This one 7. This one 5. Similarly, here also you make a pair. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 10. Now, if do the cancellation, this one 5 2s are 10 and nothing. So 7 5s are 35 and in denominator you will get 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So this will be your answer. In the same way, try to do 6 1 2 4. Means you have to do now, the classwork is up 1 to 6. Do the rest of our sums.